Once upon a time, we at Native Sons went to sell a bathroom to a lovely lady in a museum of a house in Ellicott City, Maryland. As we were standing in her newly installed kitchen, she asked if there was any chance that the new bath remodel would create a leak, as the bathroom was just above this corner cabinet. I said, "No, it's very rare that we have leaks, and we will be very careful." So we installed this great bathroom, and she was very happy until about 3 months later. I got a call from the lovely lady of Ellicott City, and she tells me that the corner cabinets and adjacent cabinets are now showing signs of being wet inside. I jumped in my car and I rushed out to investigate. And sure enough, the corner cabinets and adjacent cabinets right below our new bathroom install were now showing signs of being wet inside. As you can certainly tell, with its glass shelves, matching interior, and glass door, this is an expensive corner cabinet, wet and moldy, as are the adjacent cabinets. What a nightmare! But of course, we had to make it right. With the total cost of repairs, we ended up throwing about $4,000 down the toilet. So what caused it all? The pipe fittings in this valve were made up with pipe dope only. There developed a leak in one of the joints that dripped, so that over a period of 3 months it created damage. Lesson learned the hard way. It's now our policy to use Teflon tape, about 3 wraps on threads, and blue blocker joint compound on all threaded pipe joints. We are happy to report that the lovely lady of Ellicott City, while certainly not thrilled with the problem that occurred, was pleased with our efforts to come in, take responsibility, and rectify the problem to her satisfaction. Now that we have learned from our mistake and set a new install policy, we can all live happily ever after.